Only cultured minds pass this test. 1. Which Italian fashion designer founded a luxury brand featuring Medusa's head? Versace. 2. What's the largest brass instrument in a typical orchestra? Tuba. 3. Which flightless bird is New Zealand's national symbol? Kiwi. 4. Which psychologist introduced the concept of hierarchy of needs in 1943? Abraham Maslow. 5. Which bird is known as the thief of Paris due to stealing? European magpie. 6. Which fashion designer pioneered the iconic wrap dress in 1974? Diane von Furstenberg. 7. What medieval reed instrument is the ancestor of the oboe? Sham. 8. Who created the self-actualization theory before Maslow popularized it? Kurt Goldstein.